Okay, welcome to all. This video I'm talking about what is meant by self selection and load selection. So self selection we are mainly using for you are selecting a complicated area. Then you want to preserve the selection what you are selected earlier so that you can use self selection. Next day you will load the selection again continuously selecting that object. That is a one use. Another one is if you want to select some object that you need to convert was a stroke. Then also we will use save selection and load selection. So once you save it again, when you load it, then you can use it continuously for multiple purposes. So that stroke we can convert the selection to a stroke. So let us go and try how save selection and load selection is working. Whatever the training I am giving here, that is how industry you are working here. So once this is a selection of what I am going to do this, I am selecting the magic wand tool, and again I am using another two quick selection tool. Press Alt. I want to remove this area. Alt. I am removing this. Okay. Oh, it's going to this selection tool. It is not working. Anyway, that is not the complete purpose. But okay. I'm doing ulta. So what I'm going to select inverse. So I'm saying Alt, then I am removing these selections. This also. Again, it is not correct. Press quick selection tool. I am press Alt. I am removing this. I'm selecting Shift. I need to add this. Okay. Now it's almost here. Also, I need to Shift and minus. I need to select Shift. Again, select modify. You can smooth around 3 pixels, so it will be better. Now I'm taking a new layer. Now edit stroke. So first you can save the selection. You can leave. You can say that. Okay. Control D. Anytime you want this selection, select load selection. Okay, selection is loaded. Sorry, I need to put it here. Select load selection. Leave. Selection is loaded. I'm going to next layer. I'm hiding this. Then edit stroke. A black stroke I need. Okay. So now you see that you can go to stroke. You can do whatever you want on the stroke and any editing or anything you can do on this. So this is a one way you can if you serve the selection is right. Another one is I'm grape selection I am doing anyway subject select I am doing. Select subject. So now subject is selected through the quick selection tool again. You can add the selections. You know this selection is not perfect. What I'll do, I have to do some other work. But if you control D, everything will go off. So what I'll do, I'll select save selection. So we put grape. So next day you are coming, selection is avoided and no selection. So select, you can do that save selection, load selection. So the grape, select, load selection. I didn't save grape. Okay. Now what you need to do? So you directly, if you want to do the lasso tool, you are doing any selection, directly click here. See, you need to select Shift or Alt. So here you can press Alt, we can remove this. Shift you can again alt you can remove this also. Again shift you can see this is here. Again shift here. Again you can round it this. Alt you can remove this. So this is a way you can again you can select it. Again you can select save selection. Then grade 2. The next day you are coming again, you need to do the perfection. You can select load selection. So this is a very nice tool you can utilize for several things, and this is mainly we are using serve selection and load selection. So very complicated selection you are doing, and you are not able to complete the selection on today, you can save it tomorrow, you can continue. But only thing you need to think about that when you select this anything you are click here. Sorry, it's a Photoshop tool. You need to be very careful. When you shift, you need to use sort the selection, and you need to do alt. You need to subtract the selection, and you can use any selection tools. I think you clearly understood what is meant by load selection and serverless selection. Please use the resources and do the same thing. And one object you can select in multiple ways, and which one tool is more comfortable, more handy, you can use it on that.